5 food-focused ways to boost your energy. It's an indisputable phenomenon that people are a worn-out bundle. Seeking to diagnose the reason for fatigue is close to ridiculous. That is because there are handfuls and many causes. The reasons can range from lack of rest and pallor to medicine results and inadequate exercise. The root issue must be tended to on a more profound level. Yet, here's an easy clue that may help you increment your energy. Food is a considerable benefactor. Large numbers of us go to fake or unfortunate energizers to give us the flash we need. Our gut response is to hunger for sugar, which is our body's most accessible type of energy. Also, it works. We get perky and zippy and think everything is great. However, that basic carb high is before long followed by an accident, which leaves us feeling much more exhausted. In a fantasy world, we need you to use quality rest, normal exercise and stress the executives to re-establish your energy levels. However, here's the means by which you can add food to your force-boosting munitions stockpile. Timetable. Eat just when the sun is out, or expected to be out, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eat all the more from the get-go and less later in the day, with no food inside 3 hours of sleep time. Water. Lack of hydration is one of the primary sources of weakness. In case you're not hydrated, your body consumes additional energy to keep up its water balance. Keep water by you and taste it the entire day. Drinking 8 glasses each day is a decent ballpark, but it merits putting resources into a half-gallon bottle so you don't need to stress over keeping tally. Solid fats. Fat is the most energy-thick food. Sound fat. Think salmon, nuts and avocados. Let you exploit the lethargic energy discharge fat gives without everyone danger of slamming. Protein. Protein in lean meats, like chicken, turkey and salmon, are superb for energy. You can likewise get protein in beans and nuts. Eating protein in the day is essential. Espresso and tea. You realize these are staples of an energy-boosting diet. Both are incredible and don't give you the energy swings that sugar will, so it's okay to have them furnished. You don't stack them with sugar and cream.